Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Session Guitarist Electric Mint. This powerful virtual instrument brings the authentic sound of a classic electric guitar right into your studio. It offers a clean, versatile tone perfect for pop, funk, rock, and more. You'll discover its intuitive interface and how to craft incredibly realistic guitar parts with ease. Get ready to unlock a world of professional-grade guitar performances. Getting started with Electric Mint is straightforward. Simply load it as a virtual instrument in your preferred digital audio workstation. Once loaded, you can immediately begin exploring its core controls. Adjust the strumming speed and humanization settings to fine-tune the performance. Experiment with different chord voicings and fretboard positions to achieve the exact sound you envision for your track. Electric Mint truly shines with its extensive library of playing styles. You can choose from over 150 strumming patterns and melodic phrases, offering immense creative flexibility. Incorporate realistic articulations like mutes, slides, and harmonics to add depth and authenticity. The intuitive pattern browser helps you quickly discover the perfect rhythmic foundation for any musical idea. To elevate your Electric Mint performances, explore some advanced techniques. Chord mode allows you to trigger complex chords effortlessly using single MIDI notes. Don't hesitate to apply external effects such as reverb, delay, or compression to further shape the guitar's tone. Automating parameters within your digital audio workstation will add dynamic movement and expressive nuances to your tracks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.